Okay, you guys, you know I am in the middle of a reno, so I'm just going to show you two place settings. Since I bought this stuff all for Easter, because I bought some stuff for Easter, and I want you guys to see how I will set up my table. And there's that. So I'm going to put the little Easter cups down like that. Like so. And this stuff is just, I'm just showing you this stuff because I bought it. Ain't nothing. I'm not setting my table. I'm not fully setting my table. Because like I told you guys, I am in the middle of a renovation. So that's that. And these plates came from Pier 1. And they 4 different plate settings. So we just gonna plate this one with the girl and the boy. And that's how my table will look. And here's how the table would look if I was to set it up for Easter. But like I told you, this is just to show you guys what it looked like. Let me show you the rest of these plates. See, they got another mister in there, and he go well with her. I think I'm gonna put him on the table instead of the other. And there's him, but these two go well together. Okay, so they 4 different kind of plates, and I got these from Pier 1. So they are the other one. So he go with her. Oh, that would look good on the table. Okay, so look at them. Now, they go together. And it also look good with that pink ribbon. So that's how I would set my table for Easter this year. But like I told you guys, I am in the middle of a reno. So, you know, you just getting, if I was to. I hope you guys, okay, here is the vignette that I set up for Easter. It's just that old flour, the salt and pepper shakers, the egg holders, and the coaster. So that is a vignette that I set up for Easter, you guys. Everything here you have seen before is just taking what you got and reusing it to the best of your ability. So that's that. I was not for sure that y'all caught this look when it was on the table, but just get that vibe. That is so nice. I am so in love with this little tray and these little salt and pepper shakers. You know, I got those from Martha Stewart. And I can't find another pair like this. But yes, that is so gorgeous. I just love the way that looks together. This is the second place setting. I'm just gonna put the little bunnies in here. Then we go close like that. And that tray is from Pier 1. That tray is from Pier 1. And I told you guys where those bunnies are from. But in case you need a refresher, those are from Martha Stewart. My plates are plates that I got from, I guess, HSN, I think. These plates are from Pier 1. So cute. On that rose plate. And this will be in my second setup if I were to do an Easter table, you guys. So yeah. That's how this table would look if I was to set up for Easter. What did I tell you? This was from this is from Pier 1. This tray here is from Pier 1. And the plates are from Pier 1. And these rose plates are the plates that I told you I took my time buying. Like I bought 4 plates, 4 saucer, 4 bowls, 4, yeah. So that's how that look. That will be my look for my second setup. Okay, you guys, be blessed, and I will see you on the next one.